Hi. I'm so glad to welcome you back to our Python programming series. In our previous video we learned how to use the print function. I hope you practiced that very well. We were also able to differentiate between strings, float and integers, which we are going to know more about once we go deeper into Python programming language. Today in this video we would practice a little of what we have learned so far with another function key. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. Here is another function key known as the input function. We use the input function to get information from our users. Let's take for instance, someone asked you what is your name, we have to give an answer, right? I know you might have come across this thing several times, most especially when you want to register for a new Google account. Input function gives out information and also receive. Now let's take a look at this example. I want you to get into your own computer or mobile device and practice this with us. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down the section below and we will get to you as soon as possible. You're going to be amazed with this. Okay, let's just continue. Now you know how to use an input function key, but you should have it in mind that Python programming language requires critical thinking just like other programming languages. But you got nothing to worry about because I'm going to explain everything step by step so that you can become a dangerous genius in Python. Now let's do more with this input function. I'm going to make use of a variable here. Make use of your own variable, so that you can understand better. I know that as a beginner you should get confused by now. Yes, you're supposed to get confused sometimes so that when your doubt is cleared you would get little bit of knowledge. Okay, let's clear your doubt now so that you can get this knowledge. If you could remember, in our previous episode I explained the use of variable. That's what we applied here. I want any information we gave to the computer to be stored on this variable name. Now let's see what exactly I meant. This is what we call concatenation. We use it to add a variable with a string. Now let's run the code so that you would understand better. Join us please. Now if you look closely you would find out that our output doesn't have any spacing. Definitely when someone sees your web app, website or your robot talking like this, he or she would get confused. Now I want you to fix this real quick. It's simple, just try it. Now let me fix mine. You can join me if you don't know how to fix it. Alright, here I go. Now I've fixed mine. You can see we have a good spacing, and our website, web app or robot could talk appropriately. I would make two simple robots at the end of this Python series. One would be made for tutorial just like this one, while the second one would be from your comments. So if you would want to participate, I suggest you like and subscribe to our channel so that you can get new notifications whenever we upload this amazing videos. Now I would like us to practice more. Come on, let's finish this. I want it to look like a robot that takes care of a restaurant. Okay, look closely as I make this a little bit complex. I have explained previously the reason we use hashtags as programmers. I can use hashtag to write as much as I wish and my computer won't read errors. Okay, let's keep preparing our dangerous genius magic. Hope you're enjoying this video. Well, I don't think it's right time to start enjoying it. The right time is coming. You just have to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I don't want you to use the same sentence as I do. You can literally use any language such as Japanese, Chinese or even Korean, it doesn't really matter. Just use any sentence of your own, so that you can master this Python programming language easily. /n is known as a new line indicator. We use this to avoid long and unattractive sentence like this one. You can see it's unpleasant. Now look at the one with a new line indicator. Alright, let's continue. We have already explained concatenation. Okay. If you look closely you would find out that I'm about to make the previous mistake I made on spacing. Python compilers detect spacing so they give a space as an output, but would never correct you if you made a mistake about it. So I'm going to fix that real quick. Hope you're practicing with me to avoid unnecessary confusions, but you're free to comment down the section below. I would use Kenneth as my name. You can use any name of your choice. Tell me, is this not awesome? Imagine what you could build with this little thing you've just learned. Yes, it's still little. I'm going to make this our Python programming language tutorial as easy as possible. So that's for today's video. Make sure you practice as much as you wish before watching our next video. Bye.